If you are thinking about using the Kikoff app to build your credit, the first question on your mind is probably simple. Is the Kikoff app legit, or is it just another credit app making big promises? In this video, I will break everything down clearly so you can decide if Kikoff is worth signing up for. Let us start with what Kikoff actually is. Kikoff is a financial app designed to help people build or improve their credit history. It is mainly targeted at people with no credit, bad credit, or thin credit files. Instead of giving you traditional cash loans, Kikoff offers small credit building products that are reported to major credit bureaus. Now, the big question. Is Kikoff legit? Yes, Kikoff is a legitimate company. It is a real, registered financial technology company based in the United States, and it works with regulated banks to offer its services. It is not a scam, and it does not steal your money or disappear after you sign up. However, being legit does not automatically mean it is right for everyone. So let us look at how Kikoff works in real life. When you sign up for Kikoff, you do not receive cash in your bank account like a normal loan. Instead, Kikoff gives you access to a small credit line that can only be used for specific purposes, such as Kikoff's digital store or credit building plans. You then make monthly payments, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus like Experian and Equifax. This reporting is the key reason people use Kikoff. Payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit score. By making consistent, on-time payments, Kikoff helps you create positive credit activity. One thing many people misunderstand is that Kikoff is not designed to make you rich or solve money problems. It is strictly a credit-building tool. If you are expecting instant cash, Kikoff is not for you. But if your goal is to build credit safely, it can be useful. Now let us talk about pricing, because this is where buyer intent really matters. Kikoff is not completely free. The basic plan usually costs a small monthly fee, often around a few dollars per month, depending on the plan you choose. Compared to secured credit cards that require deposits of hundreds of dollars, Kikoff can be a cheaper way to start building credit. The advantage here is accessibility. You do not need a large upfront deposit. You also do not need a good credit score to get approved. Almost anyone can sign up. But there are also limitations. Kikoff does not report to all three major credit bureaus in every plan. This means your credit improvement might not show everywhere at the same time. For some people, that is fine. For others, especially those applying for major loans soon, it may be a drawback. Another important point is credit utilization. Kikoff products are structured to keep utilization low, which is good for your credit score. But since the credit line is controlled, you do not learn how to manage a traditional credit card with flexible spending. So, who should consider using Kikoff? Kikoff is best for beginners. If you are new to credit, have no credit history, or are recovering from past mistakes, Kikoff can help you establish a positive payment record. It is also useful if you want a low-risk way to start improving your score without dealing with high interest rates. On the other hand, if you already have good credit or access to traditional credit cards, Kikoff may not add much value. In that case, a secured card or low-limit unsecured card could help you more in the long run. Now let us address some common concerns people search online. Is Kikoff safe to use? Yes, Kikoff uses standard security measures to protect user data, similar to other financial apps. There is no evidence that Kikoff misuses personal information. Can Kikoff really improve your credit score? The honest answer is yes, but only if you use it correctly. Making late payments will not help you. Kikoff is a tool, not a magic fix. Your results depend on consistency and responsible use. Is Kikoff better than other credit builder apps? That depends on your situation. Kikoff is simpler than many alternatives and requires less upfront money. However, some other apps report to more credit bureaus or offer additional features like savings accounts. Before signing up, it is important to read the terms carefully. Understand what you are paying for, which credit bureaus are being reported to, and how long you plan to use the service. Credit building takes time. Kikoff works gradually, not overnight. So, is the Kikoff app legit? Yes, it is a legitimate credit building platform with real benefits for the right type of user. It is not a scam, but it is also not a shortcut to instant financial success. If your goal is to build or rebuild credit safely and affordably, Kikoff can be worth considering. If you are thinking about signing up, make sure it fits your credit goals and budget. Used responsibly, Kikoff can be a helpful stepping stone toward better credit and better financial opportunities. If this video helped you decide whether Kikoff is right for you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more honest app reviews and credit building tips.